So now that we've been introduced to ChatGPT and have a bit of an idea of how powerful this tool really is, although we will go much more deeper and further as we get into the bulk of the course, I wanted to take this module as an opportunity to go over some real life use cases of ChatGPT in the industry today. And before I go into it, I just want to exaggerate the fact that these are just a few examples, and the actual full utility and a number of use cases which ChatGPT has across any industry, across any role, and across any use case is actually close to infinite because there's just so much you can do with the tool. One of the most common use cases for ChatGPT is in the development of chatbots and virtual assistants. ChatGPT's ability to generate natural sounding text makes it an ideal tool for creating conversational interfaces that can actually interact with users in a more natural and intuitive way. These chatbots can be used for a wide range of applications, from customer support to lead generation and more. So it has a great use case in the IT industry. Next up, ChatGPT is also being widely utilized in the healthcare industry because the tool is actually being used to develop virtual healthcare assistants that can provide patients with personalized healthcare advice and support. And these virtual assistants can be trained to understand medical terminology and provide patients with accurate and reliable information about their health. ChatGPT has also completely disrupted the marketing industry because a great use case for ChatGPT is content creation. The tool can be used to generate articles, blog posts, social media posts, and any other type of content quickly and easily. This is particularly useful for businesses or marketing agencies that need to generate a large volume of content on a regular basis, as ChatGPT can help automate the content creation process. And when I'm talking about these industries, IT, healthcare, marketing, I'm not just talking about the large corporations. It's also the small businesses, the individual professionals, the students within these spaces who are really leveraging ChatGPT to its fullest utility. Next up, if you go into the business side of things, ChatGPT is used to generate financial reports and to perform financial analysis, to just name a few use cases within that space. Its ability to quickly process large amounts of data and to generate natural sounding text makes it an ideal tool for financial analysts, for business analysts, for consultants, for project managers, and other professionals within the financial and business industry. Within the education space, ChatGPT is being used to develop additional content, develop additional educational content, and to really go ahead and personalize the learning experience for students. ChatGPT can be used to generate quizzes, tests, and other educational materials, and most importantly, it can be trained to adapt to the individual learning styles and needs of each student. And again, guys, these are just a few examples of the different ways ChatGPT is used in the industry right now. As you can see, the applications for this powerful language model are virtually limitless. And because of that, it's an exciting time to be working with this technology.